Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. I'm also doing great, guys. So welcome back to another video. So on our today's video, it's a planting video, guys. This plant is very beneficial, guys, and most of the time we just get it in the up country. So I'm so privileged that my mom visited us here in the city, and she actually brought it. Yeah, so I want to plant it. It's traditional tea. Yeah. So I'll just call it that because I actually don't know the real name. So it's traditional tea. So this is how it looks like. These ones, you just pluck the leaves, and then when your tea is boiling, you just place it inside the tea. It boils with it, and then it gives it that beautiful aroma, that scent. Yeah. So health wise, I've heard that it's used to reduce or lower pressure. Yeah, so those people who have pressure issues, make sure that you drink this tea each and every time. Every morning when you're taking your tea, have it dipped inside your tea. So guys, I'm going to be planting these. I don't know if it will do well, so let's see, guys. So let's see. Okay, so let's start planting it. Yeah, so let's start planting it. So there are 3. I don't know if I should put each of them. I think I'll go with each of them separately. Yeah, so guys, let's do this. Oh, I'm crossing my fingers. I hope they thrive, because I love this. I love this. Is so sweet, especially on, sorry for that, I'm outside, especially for black tea. This slaps. It slaps. So guys, let's plant, guys. So guys, what I'm trying to ndio tupande. So I'm trying to cut it so that tokeni hapo Dylan.
Tupande.
Okay.
Upande.
So this is what we are left with, guys. So this is what I'll be planting.
Mama,
So now,
Mama,
Mama.
Mama, tutapanda je yani kadogo.
So guys, let's plant. Yeah guys, so you've seen what I've done. Yeah, that is beautiful. So let's cross fingers. Let's hope they do so well, because it's a very good plant, very beneficial health wise. Yeah, so let's hope. Pray for me. I'll be showing you each and every day. So currently we are having rains, and that is why I opted to plant it at this time. Although the last 2 days we've not had rain, so if it won't rain, I'll be watering them and I'll be showing you that. So I hope they blossom, and yeah, so just pray for me, everything goes well. Yeah, so that when they are grown, I can also share with you the seedlings. Sawa sawa. But anyway, thank you so much for watching up to this point. Be blessed. Yeah, be blessed. Just show me some love. Yeah, like this video, like. So bye bye, see you on another video.